Welcome to GS2 Form by GSheetPress. In this video, you'll learn how to add a file upload field to your form, allowing respondents to upload images, PDFs, Word documents, spreadsheets, and other files directly with their submissions. Setting it up is simple. In your Form Sheet tab, set that field's field type, column B, to File Upload. Then run Publish Form from the menu. That's it. Respondents will now see a file picker when they open your form. So where do the files go? They're stored securely in Firebase Storage. When you run Sync Responses now, your response sheet shows a full download URL for each file, not just a file name. Click that link anytime to view or download it directly. A few limits to keep in mind. Max file size is 5 megabytes per file. Accepted types cover the essentials: JPG, PNG, GIF, WebP, PDF, DOC, DOCX, XLS, XLSX, CSV, and TXT, and each file upload field takes one file. Need more? Just add another field. That's file uploads. Set up in seconds, saved securely, and easy to access.